Hi, my name's Chris Threapleton. I'm a Specialty Registrar in Clinical Pharmacology and Therapeutics and General Internal Medicine, and I work in South London. My role is split between academic and clinical commitments, as well as working for the British Pharmacological Society as the chair of the Registrar subcommittee. In my academic role, I teach both clinical pharmacology and medical students, and I'm researching the best way to manage patients with complex polypharmacy in primary care. In my clinical role, I'm a member of the local Drug and Therapeutics Committee at my hospital, and I work in acute medicine as a general medical registrar. Since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, I've switched to working full-time in my hospital, looking after patients both on their arrival to hospital as well as on a specialist COVID-19 ward. I'm early in my career as a clinical pharmacologist, and I've been really lucky to have been involved in a clinical trial during this time. I'm a sub-investigator for a multi-centre randomised control trial to investigate the effectiveness of various different drug treatments for COVID-19. I'm still using my experience in managing complex polypharmacy. I'm currently in the process of setting up a liaison service to provide medication reviews for inpatients with COVID-19 who have complex medication issues or extensive polypharmacy. The COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the importance of knowing the mechanism of action of a wide range of existing drugs. As clinical pharmacologists, we have a broad scope of knowledge of different drugs that could be repurposed to treat existing and novel diseases. Knowing how they work and how the body handles these drugs is key to finding out where we should focus our efforts in order to find a cure. Clinical pharmacologists have experience running clinical trials and working within the NHS. We are well placed to design and advise others how to design effective and efficient clinical trials on patients in hospitals. It's been fantastic to see how so many inpatients have generously given consent to take part in clinical trials during this pandemic. There is a lot we can learn from this. Effective communication with the general public, particularly with regards to communicating risk and benefits of treatment, true multidisciplinary working, and a positive attitude to research in hospitals have all played a part. It would be great to see this continue once this pandemic comes to an end. During this pandemic, we haven't been treating COVID-19 in isolation. Many patients requiring admission to hospital have multiple medical conditions requiring many different medicines. I've learned the importance of the management of multimorbidity and polypharmacy in the inpatient population. As clinical pharmacologists, knowing how to manage these patients of all ages is key to our value in the NHS.